Hi everyone, so this is the next tutorial. I'm doing a jigsaw makeup. Yes, I wanted to do this look for almost a year and I just kept on forgetting about it, I guess. It just didn't happen. So I finally got around to film it and yeah, I'm really pleased how it turned out. Just tiny minor details like I don't have lenses. Because of that, it doesn't quite look like him, considering the eyes, but I'm going to Photoshop my pictures from this look later on, so you can see how it would look like if I had lenses like that. But yeah, anyways, this look was so easy to achieve, and if you tone a few things down a bit, it's gonna take like half an hour to do this look. So yeah, really easy. And I also have my wig here and my red bow, and yeah, it should be shorter, the hair, but I'm not gonna cut the wig. So anyways, if you want to see how I did this very fun, and just spit out something. If you want to see how I did this look, please stay tuned. I already covered my whole face white and I set it with the powder. All the products will be listed in down bar. I'm just doing this so to save time. And yeah, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with my lips. I'm going to use a red lip liner pencil. I'm really going to modify the shape of the lips. See, I'm starting from the middle. Yeah, Jigsaw has huge lips. Really outside my natural lip line. Yeah, and this part is really extended, so I'm going to extend as well. He's like smiling, I guess. Creepy little bastard. And then I'm gonna connect. It's like almost drawing a red mustache. And for my bottom lip, I'm gonna outline just slightly. And this shape is very like rounded, I guess. And I'm going to fill in with that same pencil. So I really liked the first 2 or 3 movies, I think, from Saw. And then it was getting ridiculous. Like 8 movies? Nobody gonna have time for that. Okay, so I don't want to be too perfect with this makeup because he's meant to look very dirty and like a dirty doll. I don't know. So then I'm taking this black pencil, just a regular eye pencil, and I will outline the lips with that black. Now I'm going to use a red lipstick. This one is from Il Masque called Sangers. It's like a true red lipstick, and I'm just going to go all over my lips with this product. And as you see, I'm also blending that black out with the lipstick. Yeah, but I still need a lip brush for this. So now I'm using just a regular lip brush and I'm just gonna blend out the black so it's not such a harsh line. I'm using a black pencil that I used before and just going to drag 2 lines from the corner of my mouth. I guess they're even. And he also has this kind of line here in the middle of the chin.
using just a regular brush to help me blend this out. So I don't want such a harsh line.
So for my eyes, I'm going to use this NYX Jumbo pencil in Black Bean. It's almost finished.
And I'm going to use this on a... No, I'm just going to use my finger because all my brushes are dirty.
I'm going to put this on my lid. This is going to act as a base for black eyeshadow. This is completely fine. I'm just going to use a brush now. Larger brush. Let's see, this synthetic one will do. And just gonna blend this cream product out. Okay, so the black eyeshadow I'm going to use is from Sleek palette, and this is Ultra Matte palette, the black one. Color, the black color, and a flat brush. I'm just gonna pat it on. So I'm going to take a fluffy blending brush and I'm going to use this nude color. This is going to help me blend that black out. Now I'm going to outline my cheeks. I just really want to get that sunken effect. So now I'm going to take the same pencil and just gonna shade it out a bit. So yeah, I'm taking the same black that I used.
And this is going to be base for my black.
Okay, the next step, I'm going to use the same black from my Sleek palette.
And the same brush. I'm just going to go over this. Okay, and the neck is not so important, so I'm just gonna smooth this out of my hand.
Because I'm going to do those spirals. But the product I'm going to use is this Inglot Gel Eyeliner 79. And I'm going to start with the center. This is going to be quite hard. So I'm just keeping my mirror in front of me. Just let's see how this goes. Is that fine? This one's bigger. I don't care. So now I'm just gonna go in and make the lines thicker. I think I'm going insane. Good. So I'm grabbing this pencil brush. I'm just gonna use this gray from the Sleek palette. Okay, and then I want to take my white NYX Jumbo pencil and I'm gonna outline with the small angled brush some of the shapes just to give it more dimension. So if I look at his eyebrows, they're really, really out there.
So I'm going to use this black pencil first just to see where the shape is.
Basically this part is going to be the eyebrow. And also I'm going to intensify the shading right here, because in this part here looks very angry. Yeah, I think I'm gonna blend this out more carefully. What else is there that I can do? I can connect. So now I'm doing this so that the shape of the cheek is even more rounded. So I think I'm gonna put on my wig and my bow, and I will be right back. If you're gonna do this sometime, you can just cut your wig and see how that looks. Yeah, and of course the iconic red bow, which I just made from the shit I have around house. By the way, I'm thinking of doing regular videos like every Friday or Thursday, I think. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the description, not in the description, in the comments section below what you think of this look. I will talk to you all in the next video.